Hey yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's King Bro coming back at you again with another video, and today I will be rating you guys, my subscribers, hair journeys. Alright, your hair journeys, your hair, your curly hair, your long hair. I'm rating all of that today, right now on this video. Alright, in case you guys missed it, I didn't shout it out on my last video, but I did it on my last live. So if you didn't watch that, you're screwed. That you had to go over to my Instagram and basically send me a picture of your hair and I'm gonna rate it. All right, let's cut the jive, let's get to work. All right, you guys, so first up we got this kid named King Zilli. All right, King Zilli, let's see what he got. You know what I'm saying? He says, you've been helping my hair journey for about a year now. Keep grinding. This is for the subscribers hair reaction video. Appreciate your participation, bro. Now we gonna see what he got. Okay, hold up, what? What am I supposed to do with this? What is this? This is the most fire I have seen all week. I can't hold you. This is top tier. So not only is the definition there, it's not too much definition, so where it looks like he was doing too much. You know what I'm saying? And then he got the sauce.
You need any sauce?
He put the sauce, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't too much, but he put just enough sauce on the tips or the ends of his hair. So you know what I'm saying? He got the blonde tips, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people say the blonde tips is dead, but apparently King Zilli got something else to say to y'all. This is fire, you know what I'm saying? This is 10 out of 10, you feel me? With the way his hair is, I can tell his hair is long. He pull it down, it's probably at his lip, if not further, you know what I'm saying? At this point, he ain't got to get a lineup at all. He does not have to get a lineup. So he's winning, he's saving money, and his curls are popping. Gold star, 10 out of 10. What's next? All right, next up we got my boy Clifford, certified C. All right, we're gonna see what he got going on. All right.
See how it's hanging right now. Just waiting like not even an hour. It'll take a while to actually shrink up because I didn't even use that much product. Like my hair just.
All right, first of all, hair aside, keep the accent. American girls love the UK accent. If I was you, I would get a suit, you know what I'm saying? I would get my lineup and whatnot, and I would just speak in the heaviest accent that I could possibly speak in at all point in times. But anyway, back to the curls. So what you're going through, brother, I can tell that you've been doing the method by how your curls are trying to come out, but they're not 100% there and you're struggling with a little shrinkage. You at the point, bro, where you're gonna have to start sectioning your hair and using more product, all right? But other than that, man, I give you good. This is solid 8.5 out of 10, you know what I'm saying? You'll get that other 0.5 by actually sectioning your hair when you go through your whole regimen and doing by sections instead of doing the whole head. It ain't no way around it, man. When you got more hair, you gotta use more product. And shrinkage, you can't have curly hair without shrinkage, my guy. So if you want curls, you need shrinkage. Stop trying to separate them, charge it to the game. Next up. All right, next we got Hamid. All right, shoot, I think bruh is from Germany. All right, Germany. Okay, so we gonna see what he's got. We gonna see what he got. All right, so we looking here and hold on. So first of all, I just want to say this is a terrible video. All right, you're a horrible video. You're lucky I have a decent eyesight because you done your curls a disservice. I can't see shit, and I guess you done your regimen at night, so you couldn't really get that natural light that you need for it to pop. But the video is terrible. The actual video, your camera production is horrible, my guy. But your hair kind of saved you. All right, so I'm looking right here. If you see the front, you know what I'm saying, you can kind of see, you can't see too much definition because he didn't get the light. I wish you'd have just walked into that hallway to the right, to the left. Like, you see there's a hallway right there with plenty of light where we can see everything. Just go into the other room, please. But anyway, okay, so what I'm looking at, the front is looking good. As far as I can see, I'm seeing a lot of curls, man. A lot of curls is looking good, but it looks like you left out the whole left back side of your head, man, which is something I used to do all the time. But you gotta be careful now, you know what I'm saying? You get a 7.5 because you can't do that, because you gotta realize the curl, from what I see right here, the curls you got right here is serious. I see how they shaking it. They look real good, but you gotta realize when you got real defined curls like you got right here, you can't leave that side out, brother. You got to. And I can bet that you're probably right-handed, you know what I'm saying? So give the left side some love, man. You'll get the left side some love. You shooting straight from a 7 to a 10, bro. I don't want you to go out and it's gonna be noticeable, bro. It's like you walking up on somebody, right? Somebody's car. No matter of fact, it's like you looking at somebody's house and they got this big beautiful mansion on the front side. You look like a big beautiful mansion. On the left side, it's a big beautiful mansion, and on the right side, it's just like the whole house is exposed. There's no brick, there's no undercarriage. It's just the whole, you can see inside the house. There's no windows. It's just out in the open. You know what I'm saying? But the front is beautiful. You gotta make sure that you get all sides. You know what I'm saying? So, dog, you got a 7. If you can get that one side, man, and this stuff. The reason why y'all not getting 10s, it's not even some huge reason. It's really just one small step that, you know, it was probably nighttime, probably had some other stuff to do. You're probably watching the game and you weren't even concerned about it. But you know what? Keep going, keep doing your thing. Y'all can get to the 10. Next up. Alright, boom. So moving on pretty fast. Next up, we got my boy J Jones, 24 J Jones. Let's see what he's got. So what you trying to say? He think you can come on my channel trying to shit on me? Hold on. He trying to show off on the length. Okay, I got something for you. J Jones, what's up? What's popping now? It's wash day, so I got dandruff flying everywhere. But what's popping, J Jones? What you trying to say, man? You trying to say you trying to come on my channel and stun on me? That's what you trying to do? It ain't gonna happen, partner. It ain't gonna happen, partner. But nah, all jokes aside, man, this is good stuff, man. This is great. Y'all he done made me take out my... Okay, anyway. But nah, this is great stuff, man. This is great stuff, man. I'm looking at this dude. So at this point, I can tell that his hair is too long for the shake method, alright? And your hair, like, this dude, your hair only gets this long from taking care of it, bro. So this is A1. I'm gonna give you a 10 out of 10, bro. Strictly because even the ends of your hair is still curling and whatnot. Actually, no, I'm gonna give you a 9 out of 10 because, you know what I'm saying? Your hair is popping, but your mouth is open, and your hair is so long, it could probably go in your mouth and leave products in your mouth. You know what I'm saying? I'm really just hating because his hair might just be as long as mine. Is probably the same length, if not a little bit longer or maybe a little bit shorter. So you think you on my level, huh? Think you on my level, huh? Say J Jones, hold on, J Jones. You think you on my level, huh? That's what I'm trying to say. Competition, it's alright, don't worry about it. I'm gonna deep condition 3 minutes extra today, just for you, You think you coming for my neck? I'm King Bro, that's my channel. Who y'all think y'all are trying to put pressure on me? This is crazy, man. How y'all watching my channel? It's alright, I got something for y'all. I'm deep conditioning today. 3 minutes extra, just for you. It's alright. It's a bet, then let's go. I'm ready. Man, this is good stuff, man. I must say I am thoroughly impressed by what we got going on, but we gonna keep going, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so next up we have I'm picking that completely random here. Let's go Chandre Williams, alright? Dub Chandre. Let's see what he's got, alright? What the fuck is that? What is that? What am I what the this No, all jokes aside though, this is wonderful, you know what I'm saying? This is, what the, I can't even talk, bro. So this guy's got, okay, curl definition is popping, I must say, you know what I'm saying? Their hair is a lot longer than it looks. I want everybody to pay attention to this. You see how short his hair looks? His hair, if he were to pull it out, it's probably long as hell, alright? But this just goes to show that when your curls are tight, you know what I'm saying, they just, you know what I'm saying, they tight, you know what I'm saying? So he could probably pull his hair down way down in his face, but they just tight, you know what I'm saying? So so much definition. I can't even hate, bro. This is 10 out of 10, bro. Like there's nothing I can do. Like he's got a naturally bigger curl pattern. I'm tired of y'all coming on my channel think y'all gonna shit on me. You know what I'm saying? I'm King Brew. You know what I'm saying? I pay the bills around this house. Think you shitting on me? He shitting on me, man. He shitting on me. Man, this dude made me want to cut my hair. Like it's making me want to cut my hair and go back to 7 months and start my curl journey all over again, bro. This is good stuff. 10 out of 10. Next up. All right, here we go. So next up, we got this guy called Where are you? I'm so sorry, dog. I actually have a very complicated name, you know, a very complicated government name, and people mess it up so much. I used to get offended, but it's getting messed up so much now that I don't even care. So, you know, hopefully you're at this point. Hopefully I'm not even messing up your name, but if I am, I'm sorry. Okay, so where with you? I'm looking at your hair. Okay, skin's popping. Okay, moisturized. Your hair looks moisturized, but it looks like something's missing, my guy. I'm not sure what your goal is here, but I'm assuming that your goal here is curls. Something's missing, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? I could tell by how it's hanging, because your hair is hanging to the side, that it's wet and probably moisturized, but you're missing something. For one, you're missing the actual curl cream. I don't think you actually put curling cream in your hair, and if curls isn't your goal, excuse me, who don't listen to anything I have to say, your hair looks fine. But if curls is your goal, you're missing the actual curl cream. And two, you gotta detangle your hair before you deep condition it, bro. When you detangle your hair, drop that deep conditioner in, and then drop that curl cream in, then you'll be straight, you know what I'm saying? But once again, if you're not trying to get curls, then screw what I got to say, you're on the right track. So if you're trying to get curls, you got about a 6 out of 10 because you missed a step. You missed a very vital step in deep conditioning. But if you're not trying to, then you know what I'm saying, 10 out of 10. Let's see what we got next. Alright, so now we got my guy, Madman Ace. Alright, Madman Ace an OG, you know what I'm saying? He's one of the few guys that I remember. Like, I remember his channel name. I don't know if it's because his name is distinctive, but I remember his comment name from like the beginning. I'm pretty sure from before the first video blew up, or at least shortly after, you know what I'm saying? I remember his comment name, you know what I'm saying? Hit Trooper. True OG subscriber. Triple OG, double OG. Let's see what he got. Alright, boom. Alright, so what we got right here is Poppington. Pure Poppington. Fresh fade on them hoes. So right here, this is what I want y'all to see, alright? So my guy Madman got 4C hair, alright? I need y'all to pay close attention to this right here, alright? So this is what 4C hair looks like, or some types of 4C hair looks like when it gets super curly. So what's actually happening is his curls are really like small and petite. So without like a high definition camera, you're not gonna be able to go in and see his individual curls because they're like super tight. You know, on some of them you can, but you can't on all of them just because the curls are so tight, you know what I'm saying? Hold on. Oh, I'm looking at the back. Oh, Madman. Ooh, I'm looking at the back, man. You're telling on yourself, man. You're telling on yourself. So what we have here, man, you've been committing a sin, Madman. I can't believe you, man. You've been skimping on the product. Skimping on the product, man. Skimping on the product, man. For those of you that don't know what this sin is called, man, don't know what this sin is referred to is, once you've been an OG in this hair game, once you've been growing your hair for quite some time, you're gonna realize that there are levels to this stuff. And as your hair gets longer, you're gonna have to use more and more curl cream, more and more everything. And while his hair looks super moisturized, he's been trying to save curl cream. How could you? How could you? But no, all jokes aside, man, I understand. I'm not necessarily going out to see people, so I understand why you're a little bit hesitant on throwing the curl cream on your hair, you know what I'm saying? But for the curl cream that you did use, you know what I'm saying, it looks good. And you fresh out the shower, boom. The fade brought you back. So I was gonna give you an 8 out of 10. The fade brought you back to a 9.5. Good stuff, man. Let's keep it going. All right, here we go. Next up, we got one from Jaden. Boom, we got one from my guy Jaden. All right, my guy Jaden come through. Ooh, shitting on us. And then he gonna do a link check to shit on us again, alright? Welcome to the land of big curls, alright? 10 out of 10. Welcome to the land of big curls. Where my 4B guys at, man? Where are y'all at, man? I'm not seeing, where are my 4B guys out there? I need y'all to comment. Where y'all at? Y'all didn't send me no videos. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so here we go. We got my guy, Zilli. He's not going for the curls. He's just showing us the fro, alright? And because I got the fro, I'm gonna have to give this a 10 out of 10. Alright, no, 9 out of 10, because this picture that he sent, he's mean mugging. Alright, he's mean mugging the hell out of me. Alright, I'm honestly scared right now. Alright, I don't understand why he would look so mean and send this picture to King Brew. I'm kind of driving around with my mom. Why are you so mad driving around with your mom? What did she do to you? Why are you so mad? Alright, I'm gonna give him 9 out of 10 because of the mean mug. But I looked on his page and I seen the pull-ups, alright? I seen the pull-ups, so you got a 10 out of 10. You're back. I'm excited you saved it. Like the pull-ups. Let's see how many he got. Boom, there we go. Knock him out. Hold up. I'm sorry. Stop the video. What the hell is this? Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I like to direct your attention to the background of the video of said defendant doing pull-ups. What is that on your wall? Steelers. This man's a Steelers fan. You hear that? He's a Steelers fan. He's a Steelers fan. Well, guess what? We don't welcome your kind around here. This is Broncos country. Broncos. Next up. You know what I'm saying? Alright, and my last rating, alright, is gonna be my boy, Psy Savage, alright? Okay, we're gonna have to pause this so we can get, you know what I'm saying, we can really analyze what he got going on here, you know what I'm saying? He done a quick little video, we gonna see what he got, alright? Okay, so obviously, you know what I'm saying, he's suffering from the pandemic, you know what I'm saying? He can't get that edge knocked off, but it's alright though, because my boy is gonna be fresh once he hit that barbershop. Then he get that line tight, it's gonna be crazy with the 2-strand twist. But if you can look at these twists, alright, I know it's going in fast motion, but these are some A1 fire twists, my guys. So I got one question. Did you do them yourself? If you did them yourself, this is a straight 10 out of 10. Royal flush, alright? You're an OG, you know what I'm saying? But if you didn't do them yourself, you get a 9 out of 10, you know what I'm saying? It's just the way stuff works, man. I don't do my own 2-strand twist, If you don't do your own 2-strand twist, then you got a 9 out of 10. If you did them yourself, you got a 10 out of 10. But outside of that, bro, your parts look straight. This is fire, bro. Yeah, matter of fact, if you did this yourself, you get a 15 out of 10. Because 2-strand twists is hard to do, especially to get your part 100% right, or so that they look reasonable. But yeah, man, with that being said, that's the last rating for this video. Make sure you guys click the like button, subscribe and whatnot. And I gotta let you guys know that the Rich Royals curl cream is on the way, like literally almost a month out. You know what I'm saying? The deep conditioner is about to restock, the Royal Hydration Treatment. You know what I'm saying? The Royal Growth Oil is going crazy. Like, y'all are investing in y'all head, and I'm so proud of y'all. I couldn't be more elated about this, man. When stuff open back up, if it hasn't already opened back up, depending on where you from, man, people are gonna look at y'all totally different because you're keeping your hand checked, you're keeping stuff going. If you got any questions, man, make sure you leave them down below. I'm gonna consider making a video for them. I got some crazy fire content coming up, and I just been cooking up in the lab, staying low, you know what I'm saying, staying low, trying to make sure I give y'all enough content, because once it's time, I'm coming back with that fire. But it's King Brother, that's all for this video. Peace.